This is Matt Dimitroshin of Telemus Capital with the week in review for the week ending December 18th of 2020. It was another positive week for the markets as each of the major indices set all-time highs. The Nasdaq Composite and Russell 2000 index both advanced by 3.1%. The S&P 500 gained 1.3%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average advanced by a more muted 0.4%. In lockstep with the Nasdaq leading the charge, technology stocks were the preferred sector on the week, followed by consumer discretionary and materials. The energy sector succumbed to profit-taking as it declined by 4.3%, despite positive gains in the price of oil. Positive factors driving the market were news that a stimulus deal was nearly reached, the Fed affirming its extraordinarily accommodative stance, a coronavirus being shipped, and Apple's plans to increase iPhone production by 30% in the first half of 2021. On the stimulus side, it seemed like negotiations had zeroed in on a roughly $900 billion package, although nothing was finalized by week's end. The Fed committed to continuing its purchases of $120 billion a month of Treasury and mortgage-backed securities. The news around fiscal and monetary stimulus overshadowed weak retail sales data for November and higher weekly jobless claims. In the bond market, the yield curve steepened as the 2-year Treasury yield fell by 1 basis point, while the 10-year Treasury yield increased by 6 to close the week at a rate of 0.95%. In other markets, the dollar fell while gold gained slightly. Crude oil advanced above $49 a barrel, its highest level since February. That concludes the week in review for the week ending December 18th of 2020. On behalf of all of us here at Telemus, I want to wish you a safe and a happy holiday season. Thanks.